Hi, I'm Allison Petrus. I'm the Environmental Education Coordinator here at Winnie Nature Reserve at St. Vincent College. This is our bug camp. So bug camp is for children that are 5 and 6, and they come with an adult camper, and we spend the whole week learning about bugs. They love coming, getting outside, exploring the different worlds of bugs in the pond, the fallen log, and the tall grass, and just seeing the different kinds of bugs, getting up close and personal with some bugs in a way that they wouldn't just out exploring on their own.
Ooh, those are cool.
Put them in.
My name is Jessica. I work at the Winnie Nature Reserve, and what I really love about bug camp is all the kids. Just seeing them makes my day 10 times better, and I love learning alongside them.
So we do lots of activities, crafts, field activities, games, and lots of different things. So it's a really fun week.